This wasn't an accident. They meant to do this. Accelerated the car straight into the barrier on purpose. Crash test. Controlled chaos. Look, everything was going fine. The cable was pulling, the vehicle was moving forward bit by bit. Everyone thought we had it. Then, boom. It just gave up. Too much weight, too much force, and that was it. You're standing next to 450 tons of cargo, ships below, transport vehicles and trolleys behind you, adding another 1,800 tons. It slides just 5 feet, and the whole ground shakes like an earthquake hit.
Kéo chân kìa! Chân kìa! Chết! Ui! Gay cấn rồi!
Tiny mistake, wrong read on the ground, and now this giant machine is spinning completely out of control.
Wis ang buwan na kaya bilag.
Oh shit. Ah!
Ganjal mo! Ganjal! Aku mando.
Listen to that engine. Look at those tires spinning, giving everything it's got. But the hill doesn't care. It's just sitting there laughing. And this machine, it's stuck.
Dan di sini mobil Grand Max-nya pun tidak sanggup menanjak.
Apa tuh? Kayu.
Just one sudden acceleration on the rainy road was enough to send the container truck sliding sideways like a snake, completely losing control in a tense few seconds. Luckily, there were no other vehicles nearby, so the damage was limited to the median strip.
Lane change. That's it. And the driver completely lost it. Vehicles gone. Watch this excavator. No crane, no help from anything else. It lifts itself up onto that two-axle platform using nothing but its own hydraulics. Front wheels come up over a meter off the ground. The amount of force control and balance that takes is seriously impressive. This is Silvasti's first TCI dismantling project. Big moment for them. And they handled it with industrial-level precision. We're talking millimeter accuracy. Total control over the load the entire time. Ferry rides usually nothing, same route every time, but throw a storm into the mix and now you're fighting nature head on. This thing's 5.5 meters wide, way past anything considered standard shipping. That's exactly why it's labeled oversized cargo and needs specialized transport. You can't move this like a normal load. This massive steel block is going to be the core of an entire refining system. But first, it has to survive the trip there. And that's no small thing. You get the balance wrong, misjudge the speed, pick bad terrain, and you're looking at serious damage. Every decision on this haul matters.